Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by protecting your site and getting direct access. First, download a full backup of the current template so you can revert if needed. Once done, open Theme and click Customize or Edit HTML to load the template editor. Make sure to enable Mobile Preview and have your browser dev tools ready. This lets you inspect classes and test small CSS changes in real time before editing the live XML. Now you'll make structural and visual changes. Start by finding the header, main, sidebar, and footer blocks in the XML so you know where each widget sits. Then change layout order via layout or by moving widget XML snippets. Once done, adjust CSS rules either inside the template style block or by adding a custom CSS block. Use specific selectors to avoid breaking other elements. Also update fonts, colors, and response. Finish by validating and publishing with confidence. Preview the template on desktop and mobile, click through links, test widgets and forms, and confirm analytics tags are intact. Save a version copy before publishing, and then clear any CDN or browser caches so visitors see changes. If something breaks, use your backup to restore, or isolate the offending change using dev tools and undo only that snippet. Make incremental edits and publish only after each test passes to avoid cascading issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.